everyone, welcome back to the channel Himali Rider Vlogs once again. So today I have come to a truly offbeat destination. It's an outskirts of Kalimpong, and this place is called Dabling, which lies in the area of Gitdabling or near to Lolegaon Kafir. So if you know this place, so I am somewhere over there at the moment, far away from the usual hustle and bustle of the town and the city. And I was staying here in this Aria Homestay for overnight. Kal raat aaya tha hum log yahan pe, kal afternoon ko. And that's not all in the video. I'll be taking you for a small tour in and around this beautiful place, and this beautiful looking motorcycle, which is Himalayan 450. And you all know this motorcycle. This is a brand new motorcycle. It's just been like a 1000 kilometers run as right now. And this motorcycle belongs to the owner of this homestay. So I got this motorcycle and I'll be taking around few places. Some hidden trails are there, some scenic beauty places are there, some tourist destinations are there. So yeah, stay in this video, because this video is going to be very interesting for you people, very adventurous clips that you would see. So that's coming up in the video. Stay tuned. Meet Jocelyn, guys. My daughter. Kutulu kutulu. Ooh. Ooh. Very naughty girl. Say hi. ऊपर एक छोटा सा रेस्टिंग प्लेस बनाया है. यहाँ से पूरा होम स्टे का और उनका एरिया का व्यू ऐसे दिखता है. It's beautiful. You can spend a very peaceful time out here, away from the hustle, bustle and all the chaos and stressful city life. You can come out from that particular situation and have a very wonderful time out here. So if you want to come, all the details are there in the description. There at the back side, you can see the cottages, the receptions are there out there, and it's a very sweet place to stay. So you can obviously come. The hospitality, the welcoming, the food, the culture you'll love over here. So I recommend you guys should come and have a beautiful time out here in Aria Homestay. ये आप देख सकते हो, यहाँ पे 3 cottages है, छोटा cottages. Basically एक family आराम से cottage में आ जाएगा. All right, let's go, guys. This is going to be a very small tour, since this is not my motorcycle and I don't have a helmet over here. There's no helmet, there's no chin mount. There's just going to be camera mounted on a selfie stick there in the bike, attached in the bike. I've switched off the motorcycle and put it in the neutral so that you can listen to me properly. There might be some kind of wind noise. I've just put this beanie on my head just to protect myself from little bit of wind. There's no helmet, and we don't require helmet over here since I'm not going to go to on a highway. It's just the offbeat places over here, and there's a small trail here, off-road trail, and there is a kind of a viewpoint, scenic viewpoint. First I'm going to go there. Okay, here is a small kind of a viewpoint, so let's explore this viewpoint first. Zerong viewpoint. This actually seems to be a mountain cliff with great view of the surrounding mountains, villages, rivers and even plains on a clear day. A beauty of viewpoints situated in high places like this is you get to see miles and miles away. It feels strange to realize how small we are compared to the vastness of the earth. There seems to be a stone cave-like places beneath this viewpoint, accessed by these stairs, and one of the bottom of the cliff was used to paint a beautiful portrait of Gautam Buddha. It seems many years ago there was a strong wreckage that caused the huge stone to break into small pieces, and in one of them is where I am standing right now. From here it's not just a view, it was a great experience. It was a moment to pause, witness and appreciate the beauty in and around Dabling. So that was the first place of the tour. पॉसिबली एक दो जगह और दिखाएंगे आपको, देखते और क्या क्या मिलेगा यहाँ पे। कैसे लगा आपको व्यू पॉइंट? काफ़ी डेंजरस व्यू पॉइंट है, कुछ लोकल टूरिस्ट भी आपको देखने को मिलेगा। बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ पे आते पहाड़ों पे प्लेन से और एक्सप्लोर करते। सिलगुड़ी देखे दादा?
ना ना, मैं कोलकाता से। हम लोग
कोलकाता कतै थाक्छन् आपने? होमस्टे?
टॉलीगंज।
ना
अभी इधर पे होमस्टे पे।
होमस्टे, अच्छा अच्छा। कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत बढ़िया,
बहुत बढ़िया। ठीक है।
आप कहाँ से आए?
मैं ये कालिम्पोङ का ही हूँ, कालिम्पोङ का।
तो लोकल
आया था, लोकल ही है हम। ओके, एन्जॉय योर ट्रिप। हुन्छ, थैंक यू। Okay, now we will be going to a kind of a religious place, लेप्चा गुम्बा, जो लेप्चा कम्युनिटी का वो टेम्पल वगैरह होता है, बहुत पुराना टेम्पल होगा। तो चलिए वहाँ पे एक्सप्लोर करते हैं। और रास्ता देखिए, पूरा ग्रेवल का, मिट्टी का रास्ता आपको मिलेगा यहाँ पे। बट देन इफ व्हेन यू हैव हिमालयन 450, नो नीड टू वरी। ऐसा रास्ता ही चाहिए हिमालयन बाइक को, हिमालयन बाइक का मज़ा लेने के लिए। अभी मैं सैडलिंग कर रहा हूँ। Okay, it seems that we have reached the Lepcha Gumba, like a religious and होली प्लेस है उनके लिए। ये यहाँ पे इंजन को ऑफ कर देते हैं, ज़्यादा डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेंगे। और थोड़ा यहाँ पे एक्सप्लोर करते हैं, पता नहीं whether I can go inside or not, I have to see. Hidden in the village of Dabling lies an ancient Lepcha monastery, preserving history and embracing spirituality, Choong Gumba, standing tall since 1957. Built with old techniques, it truly reflects the local Lepcha culture preserved for generations. This monastery is a bridge between heritage and nature and a glimpse of spiritual essence of Lepcha community. A visit to this Lepcha Gumba was indeed another unique experience. It's been around 5 to 10 minutes maybe I've been here, और आसपास में कोई भी नहीं है, कोई भी नहीं है, खाली सुनसान है। विदाउट परमिशन, पता नहीं मेरे को ढुकना नहीं चाहिए शायद, तो मैं अंदर नहीं जा रहा हूँ। इस साइड पे शायद नया टेम्पल का कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है पीछे, लेकिन पुराना जो होता है पुराना ही होता है। 1957 से ये स्ट्रक्चर जो आप पीछे मेरे पीछे देख रहे हो, ये यहाँ पे है लेप्चा गुम्बा। तो अभी यहाँ से निकलते फिर कुछ आगे और दूसरा जगह है छोटा सा, वहाँ पे जाके भिडियो को एन्ड करते हैं। तपाईँलाई यहाँको यो गुम्बाहरू चाहिँ कसले बनाएको त्यस्तो के आइडिया छ? त्यस्तो छैन है, उहिले उहिलेको मान्छेहरू होला। तपाईँ यताकै लोकल यताकै हुनुहुन्छ है? 1957 भनेको अन्त यहाँ हो है? हुन्छ हुन्छ, जानु पर्यो। चलिए निकलते आगे फिर यहाँ से। पता नहीं मेरा साउंड कैसा आ रहा है, कैसा पकड़ रहा है ये माइक। इस माइक को कॉलर में लगा के बोल रहा हूँ। इफ द साउंड क्वालिटी इज नॉट गुड देन आई एम सॉरी फॉर द इनकन्वीनियंस। बाकी रास्ता देखिए, इतना ऑफ रोड रास्ता है, लेकिन मज़ा आता है जब आपके पास हिमालयन 450 हो और ऐसा रास्ता हो। ये गाड़ी का सस्पेंशन इतना बढ़िया है ना, आपको क्या ही मज़ा आएगा चलाने में। कुछ फील ही नहीं होता है, छोटा मोटा बम्प और ऐसा रास्ता। There we go. Slowly, slowly, Jane, slowly. Come here. Do not enter with shoes. Only 3% at a time. So I am wearing a shoes right now. Jaren, open your shoes and go. You can take this camera also along with. Hold it like this, okay, in front of you. Hold it. Don't drop the camera, okay? You go walk. This is Pomyak Sunrise Viewpoint, a place from where you experience a 360-degree view of beauty of nature unfolding in every direction. There was also a small glass bridge or a small mini skywalk suspended high above the ground level, attached with a tree and bench perfect for taking pictures. Early morning sunrise view and Mount Kanchenjunga range is also something that you would cherish from here. This seemed like a topmost part of Dabling Village, from where we could almost see all the surrounding places of Dabling. Even though our visit to Dabling was for a short time as we returned back to Kalimpong on the same day, I must say that our short stay in Aria Homestay was very charming and peaceful experience. It was not just a place to stay, but to experience calmness, local culture and exploration of beautiful local places. All thanks to Unity D and Andrew Bhena and everyone in the Aria Homestay for letting us visit Dabling. From the beautiful ambience, warm hospitality, tasty food and letting me visit places in your motorcycle made our stay truly special. It was indeed a very refreshing experience and a much needed break for all of us. We truly look forward for another visit to your beautiful homestay in near future. That's all in the video, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me in this video where I visited Dabling. I hope you liked it. And here we are already on our way back to home. I'll see you all soon in the next one. Until then, ride safe and take care. Bye bye.